single-stage PV grid interactive induction motor drive with improved flux estimation technique for water pumping with reduced sensors. Abstract. The main objective of his project is to regulate the DC link voltage by rexing harmonic content and de-offset in single-stage PV grid-connected systems. Here is our website, which you can find the 𝗙𝗍 projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From 𝗙𝗍 simulations to projects spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research. Document. In Document, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, keywords in different stages based on project. Take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, result discussion, conclusion, future scope, and references. PowerPoint presentation. In PPT, we can provide the contents in takeoff format as showing now. Results of the project. In this project, the single-stage PV grid interactive induction motor drive project with an improved flux estimation technique for water pumping presents a robust solution for efficient and sustainable water pumping systems. The integration of advanced flux estimation techniques reduces sensor dependencies, enhancing reliability and cost-effectiveness. The seamless transition between photovoltaic and grid power sources optimizes energy utilization, ensuring continuous operation under diverse conditions. This innovation not only addresses the challenges of water pumping in remote areas but also contributes to a greener and more resilient energy infrastructure. The project's success underscores its potential to make significant strides in harnessing renewable energy for essential applications while minimizing environmental impact. This was implemented and tested by using MATLAB and Simulink software. This software is user-friendly and easy to understand. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 433.